It's so exciting that you'll be embarking on your Max Adventure trip soon. I know that packing can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tried and tested tips to help you pack like an expert. After your trip is booked and confirmed, you will receive a digital information pack that contains all the details for your adventure. This will include a packing list specific to your trip. You'll also receive an email roughly 4 weeks out from your departure date that includes a comprehensive checklist to help you prepare. As you pack, take your trip type, length, location, and intensity into consideration. For higher intensity trips and classic or pilgrimage routes, you want to focus more on active layers since the majority of your time will be spent on the trail. Lower intensity trips like InStyle, Discovery, and slower adventures will allow extra time for exploration, so you may want to pack more casual attire in addition to your active layers. For a week-long trip, I always just pack one town outfit because you're only wearing that one town outfit for an hour or two a day. While Max provides a comprehensive packing list, look up information on seasonal weather conditions or any dress codes that may be relevant for events or cultural sites you'll be visiting. For example, many cathedrals require shoulders to be covered. Be sure to work through the full packing checklist that Max provides in your information packet. And don't forget these key items for hiking. Hiking boots, a solid layering system, including wool or synthetic base layers, a good mid-layer, and outerwear that's appropriate for the climate you'll be traveling in. For a 5-day trip, I usually will pack 7 to 8 pair of socks. And when you're packing your suitcase, you shove those socks in every single pair of shoes in your suitcase. And I have a very long raincoat. I have a raincoat that comes down to my knees. And I bring that raincoat on a trip that I am sure will be wet. For Max biking trips, you'll want to pack cycling-specific clothing. Here are some must-haves for biking trips. A good chamois or two. These will save your seat from getting sore on those back-to-back days of pedaling. Bike gloves, windproof outer layers, high visibility safety vest, biking appropriate footwear, and of course, a helmet. And no matter what kind of trip you're on, there are some essential items that are always recommended. A valid passport and visas or vaccinations if needed, universal travel adapter and chargers for your devices, any medications you take. Most of Max Adventures trips include a luggage transfer service, meaning they move your bags for you pain-free. When you depart on each leg of your trip, your luggage will be collected from your accommodation and transferred to the next overnight accommodation. This means you only need to hike or bike with a day pack of your essentials. Speaking of day packs, let's talk about how much you'll need to bring with you each day. I recommend packing a day pack, but not large backpacks. One that's big enough to carry extra layers, snacks, water, sunscreen, and any other essentials you need out on the trail. As you pack your suitcase, leave a little room. You may want to bring home local treats or gifts from your travels. Packing cubes and stuff sacks are great tools to keep your bag organized. Pack your most frequently used items on top and your just-in-case items on the bottom. And make sure you weigh your bag before you leave. The max luggage transfer weight limit is typically 44 pounds. This can vary per trip though, so make sure you check your info packet before packing. So I start packing, putting things aside that I know I'm gonna bring on my trip about a week and a half to 2 weeks before. And then the night before, I am brutally selective about what I'm gonna put in that suitcase. The best advice I can give you is do not overpack. A few final reminders to get you started on the right foot. Keep airline restrictions in mind. These include checked bag weight limits, limits on the number of carry-ons you can bring, and any additional fees that may apply for checked or carry-on baggage. I chose my suitcase to be the smallest possible suitcase that fits my hiking pole in it. Most airlines require that you check your poles and won't let you carry them on. Be sure to check out the Max Adventure blog for more packing tips and tricks, and join the Max Adventure community on Facebook to connect with other adventurers and learn even more.